Prophecy, November 22, 2011, 1:32 a.m. While in prayer, the word Saigon is heard, apparently in Vietnam. Interpretation: a great earthquake shall strike the region between the Pacific and Indian Oceans shortly. It would be wise for the countries in the region to take necessary precaution. It is sure to happen. April 9th, 2012, the Lord reveals that about the middle of April 2012, shortly before or shortly thereafter, is included in the initiation of a major prophetic fulfillment upon the earth. Fulfillment: April 15th, 2012, a magnitude 6.5 earthquake rattled the Pacific island nation of Vanuatu on Sunday morning. The island nation is located in the South Pacific Ocean.